Good morning, everyone. Last, okay? Yeah. Good morning, Washim. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. All right, still learners are connecting. Okay, guys, just one moment. Good morning, Shiva. Good morning, everyone. Anybody new students today in this group? You are the first one. Okay, two. Okay, all right. Okay, Sai Kiran, you also in this online batch, how many of them has a new student? I mean, how many of them has first class today, guys? Just raise your hands. Sai Kiran, Arati, and okay, all right. Okay, so do one thing. I will share the recording sessions for last 2 days, what we done. All right, I will share today. All the online students, let me share with you. In the meantime, just wait for a couple of minutes. We're gonna start in a few more seconds. Agree? Yes, Deepthi, as you as well, the first class today. Okay. And no need to worry. I just take your, get in, please. I will take your questions end of the sessions. Yeah. Still, we do have a sessions going on. Okay, Sai Kiran, Arati, everyone, guys. Deepthi. Okay, cool. All right. So here we go. To all online students, what I'm going to do right now. Good morning, Sunita. Good morning. So I'm going to paste the message here. Did you see the 2 YouTube channels? Might be I have to check with the support team. Okay. You guys are new, right? Today. How many of them? Almost 5 to 6 students. Yeah. So I will share, I will check with them and get back to you. How do you collect the recording or not? Maybe you can talk to the support team. Okay. Yes, guys, everyone. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen? Yeah. Please copy and paste it on your machine, online team. This is the 2 days recording videos, and I think a lot of them asked to how to connect with support team. So all the details I just got today, and let me post here anyway. Okay, this is information, so you can take the informations. Yeah. All right. Okay. So what we completed so far, I mean, last 2 days, this is the third day of the batch. Everyone, the one who newly came today for this class. Today is the third day. So last 2 day, what we completed so far, let me giving a briefing up about the last 2 day sessions. We understand all the basic introductions about Naresh IT, me, the data science introductions, full data science introductions. We do saw some of the projects, right? And about this course schedule, okay, what topic which we're going to cover on these sessions, all these things I'm explaining you guys. For example, did you see? One moment. Yeah. So this is NASCOM certified course, guys. The course name is Full Stack Data Science. Okay. And we cover data scientist. Main goal is data science, but these topics come around data analyst, data engineer, and business analyst, right? And we covered Python, stats, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, computer visions, deep net, reinforcement learning, GAN, time series, data analysis, business analytics, artificial intelligence, R programming languages, deploy model using Flask and HTML, cloud, Azure machine learning, Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Databricks, and Tableau, SQL, Advanced Excels, capstone projects. Fine. Yeah, thanks. And advanced computer visions projects and 101 resume preparations and mock interview sessions as well. And I'll share with the discussions, I'll give the projects as well. And we need to discuss all the projects after complete the sessions. Link is not copy. Yes, Vashim, do one thing. You just click the link. Okay. You just click the link and copy from the web URL and you paste on your notebook. Could you please do that for me, please? All right. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, and mock interview sessions, resume building after complete the modules. Yeah, this is what exactly required, dedications and time. You guys required minimum i3 core processor and 4 GB RAM. It's better if you have more configurations, right? And you need to upload your resume in 2 months. It's your wish, but normally I used tell to students that 2.5 months, please upload your resume in the LinkedIn Naukri. Yesterday I showed what kind of job opportunity in LinkedIn and Naukri profile. I hope you guys go to the recording and get things done. All right. And does not require any coding background. What tools we understand this batch? NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Starts API, means statistics. Why statistics is required? All those things I'm going to tell you. Scikit-learn, NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, which you used for text pre-processing and text mining, and Spacey. And TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, this is upcoming deep learning concepts. We're going to work these projects, yeah? And Azure ML, which is AWS Azure is the cloud, and Art Studio, we're going to work on Jupyter and Spider platform, yeah? Spark, Hadoop, Flask API, Tableau. Yes, guys, all those things we're going to learn on this class, yes? So please share your LinkedIn profile. You can type my name and you can get my LinkedIn profile, Tejasvi. Yeah. And this is the tool and course curriculum. As we have 1 hour sessions, this is a demo. I just trying to more engaging with projects work rather than talking about theoretical. Yeah. So I hope last 2 weeks, last 2 days, we understand deep learning projects and we understand some chartboard preparations. Yesterday, we built some chartboard, isn't it? Yeah, we discussed about what was front end and what is back end as well, and what is APIs, right? And today I will see some of the projects using a Jupyter notebook, like how to visualizations. Because let's see, guys, when you watch in a cricket matches, right, due to some certain issues, might you not watch, and you went back to home after 15 hours, what you see the graph, isn't it? By see the graph, you can understand what was happened from last 1 year, 1 hour happened in the match, isn't it? That's called visualizations. Yes, please. Yeah. So this is Python programming. We understand. Let's see project informations, patterns and trends using Python. Project 2, demographic data analysis, exploratory data analysis, outlier detections, advanced visualizations rating analysis, data visualizations with Matplotlib, and project 5, pandas with data science.ai workshop. Why we called as workshop, guys? Because I will explain you something on the screen and you need to work together. Maybe you should carry with your laptop, and I'll say you to download these packages. You can do it and you can start working along with me. That's called workshop. When you and me work together, that's called workshop. Okay. And SQL, I'll tell you, Microsoft SQL Server Workshop again. Will both are work together, means this is what the looks like. Did you see this is a dbear applications? How exactly in real time you extract the data from the database, isn't it? You extract the data from the database. So what kind of database we need to understand? Did you see there is a plugin option is here? Yeah. When you select SQLite, DB2, DuckDB, MariaDB, MySQL, and others part, this is kind of Play Store. What to happen in Play Store? Play Store, you can connect to multiple apps, right? The same way, using dbear app, you can connect to multiple databases, guys. Once you switch to the organizations, you can easily install this app and you started working on the database as well. Clear? Yeah. This is all workshops we're going to understand in upcoming days. And when you scroll down statistics, why statistics is required? Let me ask you one simple questions. 5 years back, when you booked the train tickets from IRCTC, all online students, are you able to understand? Does my voice is echo? Are you guys are clear? Make sense? Just give a quick confirmations from you. It's clear, everyone? Yeah, little echo. Now, now it's better. Yes, Washim? Cool. Okay, let me know, guys, if I'm running very fast. I'll slow it down. Okay, cool. Now, why statistics is very important? Let me give you a real-time scenario. Everybody booked the train tickets, flight tickets, isn't it? Booked or not? 5 years back, okay, what I'm saying, just think. 5 years back, when you book the train tickets, let's say day after tomorrow, your friend's functions is there, okay? And you're traveling with your family, your parents and mom and dad, okay? So in day after tomorrow, if waiting list showing 20, will you book the tickets for your friend's functions is there? Will you book the tickets for day after tomorrow? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? You cannot never book the tickets. You go for other options, right? Yes, guys, you go for other options. But now I'm talking about 5 years back. But now when you book the tickets, are you going to see the probability? Yes or not? So if day after tomorrow, if the book the tickets waiting list is 20, then it is explaining that 80% probability that your tickets will be confirmed. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So IRCTC app is the front end. App is the front end. In front end, you are getting probability 80%, right? This is called AI. Understand, guys? The front end is called AI, and the back end is called nearest backend is naive Bayes algorithms. What is the algorithm? Naive Bayes algorithm is implemented in the backend. So I want you to know one thing. 5 years back, we do have Java, right? Don't you think 5 years back we have Java or not? We do have .NET. But why the probability concept is not implemented at that time? Because of the packages, because of this, algorithms are implemented nowadays. Understand, guys? Everybody's new or you attend yesterday's batch? You attended? Cool. All right. Okay, everybody's clear. So what is AI? What is front end? What is back end? Now, what kind of algorithms I will cover in this batch? So now, yes, please. If you see this, machine learning framework is sklearn. What is this? Do you know anybody what is meant by framework? Anybody? Yeah, in the online batch? Yes, please go ahead. Step-by-step approach, you say. Okay. What is framework? Yeah, Django. But let me tell you guys what is meant by framework. I'll give you very simple example for this one because I'm trying to give more examples so that even the non-technical students can transit to data science. Yeah, that's what the agenda. And yesterday I showed some of the offer letters to you, how the people already placed towards the data science. Yeah, for example, when you go to the agricultural land, will you drive car or you will drive tractor? Tractors, right? So the tractor is the framework for agricultural land. Understand? But if you drive NH, so the car is the best options, right? So the car is the framework for NH. Same way, machine learning, it is a structured data. The framework is called scikit-learn, okay? And NLP is text data. The framework is called NLTK and Spacy. And deep learning, the framework is called TensorFlow and Keras. Understand? In interview, they will ask you which framework you worked on your project. You should say whether scikit-learn or NLP, NLTK or TensorFlow. Understand? Yes, guys, all clear? Now, what algorithms I'll covered in supervised is covered into regressions and classifications. Supervised learning is classified into two type. One is regressions and one is classifications. Yeah. What is meant by regressions? Just one moment. Simple linear regressions algorithms, multiple linear regression algorithm, polynomial regression algorithm. So today I'll give you small example what is meant by simple linear regressions. Everybody study one equations y equals to mx plus c, isn't it? What is the formula? Which formula is this? Straight line, right? Straight line, isn't it, guys? So now I plot how many axes we have, how many dimensions, x-axis and y-axis, how many dimensions? Two dimensions, right? So let's plot x-axis. This is one dimensions and this is another dimensions. Yes. Now let's talk about the use case. The business use case is petrol price predictions. What is this? Petrol price predictions. Now what I'm gonna do, just one moment. Monday x-axis, I will plot the points Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Understand? See guys, x-axis, I plot the data points Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, the petrol cost is 100 rupees. All right. Tuesday, the petrol cost is 200 rupees. And Wednesday, the petrol cost is 300 rupees. And Thursday, it's 4. And Friday, it's 5. Just add two zeros. All right. Now, can I plot the data point? Monday, 100. Tuesday 200, Wednesday 300, and Thursday 400. Can I plot the data point? Yes or not? So if I plot the line, can I call best fit line? This line is called regressions line, guys. This line indicates, this is historical data. By historical data, I can predict what exactly next week petrol cost. Understand what is machine learning? I train to the machines for the historical data and I can predict the future. Understand or not what I'm saying? This is petrol. Maybe you talk about gold, stock price, all those things. Yes, guys, this is called petrol price predictions and we use called regression algorithms. What are some name of English regressions algorithms, guys? Online, anybody have any questions? Online students? Are you clear, guys? Yeah. So I hope you clear. So in this case, I will write the statement in interview. If someone asks you, what is the difference between regressions and classifications? If the dependent variable is continuous in nature, what is meant by continuous? Today 100 rupees, tomorrow 200, day after tomorrow 300. The variable is keep on increasing, isn't it? That is called continuous nature. That concept is called regressions. Understand, guys? For example, stock price predictions, gold price predictions, okay, and petrol price predictions, all this called regression statement. What algorithms we have in regressions? Let's clear this one. We have simple linear regressions, multiple linear regressions, polynomial regressions. Yeah, just one moment. And gradient descent. Let me close this one. And gradient descent, stochastic gradient descent, support vector regressions, decision tree, random forest, lasso and ridge, and time series analysis. You know, guys, this is all advanced time series forecasting. I hope you heard about this. I will show you today company job descriptions file, what kind of requirement they want. I'm going to share with you. Are you able to see this? Yeah. Yeah. What is classifications algorithms? Now, classifications means let's plot x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. India win the match or lose the match. So can I say win means 1, lose means 0? Can I say this? So what type of data this is? Binary data, correct? So in regressions, the data is continuous. In classifications, the data is binary. For example, India win the match or lose the match. Spam classifications, I mean, when you receive an email that in UK you got $250 pound, that is a spam. Yeah, spam or not spam. Spam means one, not spam means zero. Today the climate is hot or cold. Binary regressions or classifications, guys? Regressions or classifications? Hot or cold classifications, right? Understand difference between regressions and classifications? So if we implement some set of the projects, what kind of projects? Let me show you right now. We do have some set of classifications algorithms like logistic regressions, support vector machines, decision tree, naive Bayes. Just now I explained you naive Bayes, right? In real time, how exactly when you book a train tickets, how the naive Bayes model implemented in government IRCTC app. Yeah, this is all real time applications, guys. KNN, random forest, Ada boost, cat boost, XG boost. This is called classifications algorithms. Understand, guys? All these algorithms we're going to understand. And what are the projects I'm going to explain you? Let me heading towards here. Machine learning. See, simple linear regressions, model building. These are the projects. We all need to work together, guys. Yeah. If I speak, if you listen, nothing should work out. Yeah. If we work together, then things would be work out. So these are the projects: polynomial, support vector, logistic regressions, model building with future predictions. I hope you understand. Naive Bayes, clear, support vector machines, and decision tree model building using Gini impurity, entropy, all those things we're going to. Lot of projects, guys. NLP, the food is good or bad? The food is good or bad? What kind of classifications or regressions? Classifications. How machines will identify my sentiment? Let's say you have 200 rupees in your pocket. You want to book a shoe, Reebok shoe. Yeah. Before you buy a shoe, what you need to check? You check the customer's review, isn't it? When the review is positive, you buy a shoe. Positive means one, negative means zero, isn't it? So this is classifications. So on this case, we combined NLP plus machine learning. Understand, guys? On this case, we combined NLP plus machine learning. I hope you understand. Yeah, all these projects we're going to understand in upcoming sessions, guys. These are the project informations I'll show you. Yeah, how to install TensorFlow. How do I get this syllabus PDF? I think you can go back to the nourishit.com. Yes, see, and then you can download from there, or else you can talk to the support team. You get this one. Okay, buddy? Yeah. Now let me minimize and I'm going to show up another thing. Yeah. I think we build chatbot implementations. And the next part is why to choose data science? Why to choose data science? Why not other platform? Because data never sleeps. Agree or not agree? Data never sleeps. World produced data. In 5 years back, in my family, we used only black and white phone, right? But now everybody use 512 GB phones. So data is produced or not? Data is produced from internet, isn't it? So every 60 seconds, 98,000 plus tweets are generated. 60 seconds. We have 24 hours. Every 60 seconds, 98,000 plus tweets are produced. 6,95,000 status updates, right? 11 million instant messages. 160 million emails sent. 1,820 terabytes are created and 270 new mobile users, guys. So now I'm talking about 60 seconds. I'm not talking about 24 hours. When these much of data are increased, don't you think data engineers are required or not required? When internet is stopped, the jobs are stopped, guys. So do you think so? Internets are stopped? Not right. So why to choose? It is in demand. Market speaks AI now. and abundance of positions, highly paid career. I showed you yesterday how few students transit from 6 lakhs to 16. Okay. And highly paid, highly prestigious and versatile job. Yeah. And I wanted to show you one analysis. Let's talk about theory. Now let's switch on to a little bit practical and then get back to the whenever classroom is create a new batch, please share the syllabus PDF. Yes, Vashim, no problem. We will share. Yeah, Vashim. Now, in this case, I'll give you one small example. Let me discuss. We do some of analysis, right? I have small data set. I called as a data set. You called normally what we call Excel sheet. Can I call it a sheet? Yes, guys. In non-technical term, we called as a sheet, but in data science, we called as a data set. Understand, guys? We called as a C. Speaking English, speaking technical English is different. Understand? So you guys called as column names, but in data science, we called as attributes, features, variables. All are equal. So what I'm saying column names equal feature, attributes, and variables. Clear? And we called as sheet and you called as data set. Maybe you guys are working some companies from now onwards, you don't call the column names. You start talking to your management leaders like attributes. So your actions should speak while you speak and all those things, guys. Yeah. Let me close this one. How many categorical variable and how many numerical variable we have in the data set? Anybody? Guys, are you able to see the screen? How many categorical variable and how many numerical variable? Categorical variable, it's nothing but it's a text. 2 categorical variable and 3 numerical variable. Okay. Let's say you joined a company. Everybody, let's say you joined a company. Your CEO gave this task and CEO asked you, give me some analysis of this data. Yeah. Give me some patterns, give me some findings, give me some insight from this Excel. Yeah. So I'm sure in Excel, the approaches is very minimum, right? Now, in upcoming days, I will show you how to extract this data to my software. The software called Jupyter. This is called Python notebook. I will teach you from Friday onwards. I will explain you the software, how to install the software. Okay, if you like it, just get back to your laptops and start. I'll explain you how to download the software and I'll start working on Python. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, I just export the data from my system to the software, isn't it? Using pandas packages, using Panda. Panda is used for data frame. Now I'll show you one visualizations. I don't explain right now because this is the demo sessions. I'll explain you later. Yeah. Now these are the graph. These are the graph. Now let's say open images, a new tab. By look at this graph, just 1 second. Speak audio device. So online students, are you able to hear my voice very clearly or it's annoying? Cool, good. Now I wanted to ask any questions to everyone. By look at this graph, what kind of analysis you say to the business leaders, CEO and customers? Let me explain you. The graph is plot between two variable, audience rating and critics rating. Now let's go back to the Excel part here. Audience rating and critics rating. Let me show you. This is the two variables, guys. Understood? The graph plot between two variables, audience rating and critics rating. Now let's minimize this one. So here we go. X-axis, please come in. X-axis critics rating, Y-axis audience rating. Are you guys understand? X-axis critics rating, Y-axis audience rating. So what kind of pattern you find? Anybody? Anybody just raise your hands? Yes, what is the graph curve looks like? Going upwards. But how do you address to these problem statements to your leaders? This is what finding, right? What is data analysis jobs? Tomorrow you got a data analyst job. Yeah, you plot this graph. You cannot send the graph to the leaders, right? You have to explain. How do you explain? So it's very incremental curve. Yes, Sinduri, what is meant by incremental? Can I say, I will write the one use case. Audience rating is more dominant than critic rating. Can I say this? And most people are likely to watch audience rating. Can I say this, guys? Because did you see the data is dense over here? The data is dense over here. I mean, this part. Clear? Okay, so maybe this is a demo, but that's okay. When I explain in detail on the class sessions, this is called exploratory data analysis. Okay, this is the way we can visualize the data point by the graphical representations. This is called joint plot. The pattern of the two variables is called joint plot. Understand? Now, so this is called audience rating. Yeah. X-axis, I plot audience ratings. Where did you see which frequency there is highest audience rating? Are you able to see that? Or else you come this side. Yeah, it's better. You also, you just go there. What is the frequency? 40 to 60 or 50 to 60, guys? Online students. 60, are you sure? Where is the curve? The curve is very peak. This is very peak. 50 to 60, I can say this, isn't it? So now let me tell you how many variable I used to plot this graph. How many variable I used to plot this graph? What? Infinite? No, it cannot be infinity value because the graph comes from the data, whatever we mentioned here. Yeah, how many variable I used? How many? Only one variable. See, audience rating. In statistic term, we called as univariate analysis. What is this, guys? Univariate analysis. Now, there is an interview questions. What is the difference between univariate and bivariate? Anyone? Exactly. Now, when we plot the graph using one variable, we called as univariate. When we plot the graph with more than two variables, that is called bivariate analysis. For example, what is the bivariate graph looks like? Let me show you. Just one moment. I'll give you a lot of plots, but not right now. I don't want you to make you confused, guys. Cool. Yeah. Open images, a new tab. So did you see x-axis we have genre, I mean category of the movie, and y-axis we have critics rating. How many variable are used to plot this graph? Two variable, isn't it? So now I ask another questions to you. So what is the difference between univariate? Now another questions. If I plot the graph, so how many axes we have in this graph? Two axes. There is an interview questions. Can I plot the graph more than two variable? Yes or no? Yes or no? What kind of analysis we called as? Multivariate. Let me tell you guys, uni means one. In school days, we understand these concepts. Understand? Uni means one. Uni means one. Bi means two. Tri means three. Quadra means four. Understand? But as we have two axes in the graph, how do you visualize the multivariable? Maybe you can plot another 3D, three dimensions, X, Y, Z. There is a concept called heat map. Okay. I'll talk about correlations, all those things, important topic in upcoming days, guys. This is just a demo. I just trying to understand why the analysis is very important to become a data scientist. Yeah. And Before we build any kind of model, these graphs should mostly understand how the data behave, how the data skew. Now, let's understand. Let me open this Excel first. Okay. Now, let's see this graph. Just one moment. Box plot. Just give me 1 second. All right. Now, let's get back to the graph here. Okay. Genre. Let's go back to the x-axis genre, y-axis critics rating. Now, let me minimize. This is, let me filter out. Action movies, adventure movies, comedy movies, drama movies, right? Let me take action movies, yeah? And critics rating. What is the action movies starting from 4 and minimum value is 4 rating and maximum rating is 94. Everybody's understand, right? Minimum value is 4 and maximum value 94. Now, let me go ahead and let me show up. Okay, this is minimum 4 and maximum 94. Understand or not? How the graphs can gives you the meaningful informations of the data. Understand or not? So this, the lower line is called 4 and the upper line is called 94, isn't it? Now, what is the average? Let me go back. If I take average of the action category, the average is 44.40, isn't it? Did you see the 44? Now, if you see this, yeah, did you see the average line? What is this average? This is called 44. Now, I wanted to ask a questions online and offline. So I just wanted to know, can you please tell me where do you see the highest critics rating? Which genre you see the highest critics rating? I'm saying highest critics rating. All online students? Okay, everybody's saying thriller. What about online? Guys, are you able to understand? 90 thriller. Okay, now let me ask a questions. The first questions which I ask is, where did you see highest critics rating? Now I'm asking, where did you see highest average, highest critics rating? Then the first answer is wrong or correct? Let me tell you, the highest critics rating is called drama and average critics rating is called thriller. Everybody's understand? Clear? Now, where did you see the lowest average critics rating? Comedy and horror. I mean, almost same. We can consider both. Yeah, we can comedy and horror almost we can consider same, guys. Correct. And now, can you please tell me where did you see the lowest average critics rating? Make sense? This is called data analysis. This graph is called box plot. What is the graph we call, guys? Let me tell you, when you practice and start working on your laptop, things would be very interesting. Yeah. So this is the way we're going to plot the graph. Yes, Swati, correct? Yeah, Arati, let me close and then we'll discuss with you. Yes, Arati. Yes, Priyaranjan. Yeah. Now, this is the way, same multiple graphs, we have violin plots. What is this 2 points? This is called outlier. So what is meant by outlier? Let me tell you. There's a two groups, group A and group B. Okay, there are two groups, group A and group B. In group A, all men's are 5 feet height and all humans are, okay, let's talk about, or maybe all girls are 5 feet height or men's are 7 feet height. All right. Now there is a person who entered to the group A, his height is 12 feet. This point is called outlier. Understand, guys, what exactly I mean by outlier? The outlier is exactly which is very far from the other data points. Clear or not? So how this outlier is impact to the data, we're going to discuss on later part. This is just a demo sessions. just trying to understand how exactly the graphs behaves and how exactly the graphs can be plotted. And did you see what kind of code I used to plot this graph? W1 is a variable. SNS means what? Anybody remember? Anybody Python background? SNS means Seaborn, Matplotlib Seaborn. These are the packages. Dot box plot. Do you think the visualizations looks like a box, right? This is called box plots. Movies, genre, drama. I'll explain you. X-axis year. This is year and Y-axis audience rating. Yeah, very simple. Am I used any for loop here? Did I used any big functions here? Very simple. To become a data scientist does not require any kind of technical background, does not require any kind of coding background. Does you require dedications and time? Very simple. That's what I'm saying, guys. Just give me your 3 hours of time every day. Things would be so beautiful in upcoming days. Understand? Clear what I'm saying? Yeah. So now let's get back to this one. Do's and don'ts in our journey. Very simple, guys. Never miss any sessions. And just now, the support team posted the recording sessions. Thank you, Om. YouTube day 1 and day 2 recording, the one who absent. You can receive this recording file from the support team. Yeah, it's better. You can watch it because I done a lot of OpenCV projects. Yes, guys, it was interesting how to detect face and eye detections and a lot of things we done. Okay. And do's and don'ts sessions. Never miss any sessions, guys. Need proper workstations or laptop to start the data science. You cannot play cricket without proper bat, isn't it? Or proper ground. Will you play cricket? No. So you cannot be a data scientist being a proper system, workstations. No worry if you don't have any high configurations laptop. I will show you what is the other approaches to work. Might be you are using a laptop. So do you think you're going to buy a laptop for more than 80,000? It's not make sense, isn't it, guys? So I will show you the other techniques, what is called Google Colab, all those things in tomorrow. Okay. So you don't need to upgrade any kind of laptop, whatever you have, that's okay for you. Your environment. Okay. For online sessions, I just wanted to say, you just get ready and learn this codes with proper, planning. Okay, you make a pipeline yourself, 3 months, where am I and what should be our 3 months journey. Every day try to complete the home task on time. I mean, I give you some of the work, I explain you today this graph. Okay, and I'll give you some of the graph to you to work on your home. Yeah, and stay with me till last sessions, whether you understand or not understand the concepts. What I'm saying, you are not going to write an exam. Clear? If you don't read, maybe you fail the exam, but this is not an exam, this is your career. So you stay till the last sessions and complete all the concepts whatever given taught to you, and don't hesitate to ask any minor questions, even the single questions you can ask with me. And I'm sure, guys, I do apology because few online students are not able to answer you, but one moment, after complete 9:15 today, I will take some time and address all of your query. Just don't go if you have any questions. If you don't have any questions, think and write a questions. Come tomorrow, I'll address your questions, right? Okay. And please respond to mock interview questions. Ravi Kumar, just wait. Let me complete today's sessions and we discuss. Yes, Ravi? Please respond my mock interview questions. What is mock interview? Just now we discussed what is univariate, bivariate. Yeah, what is heat map? Same kind of questions. What is regressions and classifications? Same type of questions you're going to encounter in interview as well. Understood? And any non-technical questions, you can always reach out to Naresh IT. Means how to get the recording, what is the files. Technical questions, come back to me. Please mark down, save, or remember the link which I'll be sharing the class. Yeah. Guys, how do I make a copies? Let me show you. I have some of the batches which I'm running. And this is what the Google Classroom looks like. See how these students are successfully work these questions. And let me show up 6 p.m. It's off. The AC is off. Can you check? It's on or off? Okay. See, okay, that's okay. I will tell him to on. So did you see, guys, these students, this is students portal. Okay, I'm also here. I cross check the students are working like this every day. They are practicing, they mention their codes. This is what the interactions between you and me for the online students. For offline, anyway, we can see each other on every day. You just work like this, right? So this is what the task I'm giving up. These guys are working on machine learning. Yeah, this is what we can do. And how to create a track of it. To create a track, I just every day I create some notepad files, every batch, every day what we are discussing. Yeah, see this, we introduced the Python data structures, NumPy, these are the projects. Okay, and then exploratory data analysis, real-time projects. My students, they went to PayPal company, they got some interview, they share with me, I will share with you. Yeah, this is a real-time live sessions. Yeah, and what is machine learning started, this is what 18th 21 15, this is the way, so that I cannot forget any single thing, okay, from you guys. And even though I'm complete, covered all topics we have, right guys? So this is what the workflow. And now let me explain this part. What projects I'm going to give you, just one moment. Let me, it's very warm. Yeah, just give me 1 second online. Okay, yeah, what is the projects we're going to, I'm going to explain you. See, I mean, house sales predictions, targets to review analysis. Okay, review analysis means the food is good. The food is good means positive sentiment. Not good means negative sentiment. Sentimental analysis. And image-based data. Okay, car evolutions, TensorFlow creations. And if you go back to the project's details, let me show up. We have around time series with RNN, image data augmentations using TensorFlow and Keras, MNIST data using CNN. The course browser, whatever you have. So I'm talking more than that. Few things not in the course. Yeah, in the syllabus, whatever you got, guys. Model deployment. Yes, Sahid, did you see? There's a Flask model deployment. Deploy ML model in Azure ML environment. Yes. Okay. Yes, Sahid. And also Flask deployment also there. Did you see the project's data analysis using R programming language, rating analysis, logistic regressions, all the concepts, and MongoDB? Come on, MongoDB is not there. SQL is good enough. We are not learning as a database administrator. We are a data scientist. Yes, Shahid. And in the company, 4,000 employees is working in the company, isn't it? There is some rules. One team is created for this one, separate team is there. You guys are data scientists, so you go for a data scientist jobs, not for SQL jobs, understand? So no need to worry. Yeah, clear. Okay, now if you see, there are, I mentioned only 80 projects, end-to-end machine learning pipeline using Apache Spark, okay, and Pandas API, Databricks, lot of things, guys. Install Hadoop clusters and HDFS commands. So Hadoop with Kubernetes and all those things. This is advanced things, guys. Okay, color detections using OpenCV. We already done yesterday. Yes, color detections, face and eye detections from video, displaying images using OpenCV, object tracking, sketch drawing from image, Tableau desktop, Tableau development, and capstone projects for resume. So these projects you not implement on your resume. For resume projects, I'll not talk right now. I'll talk later part. Okay. BFSI projects. See, guys, there are few domains never die: banking, insurance, healthcare, real estate. I told you, yeah, these domains never die. For example, just one moment. I think Just give a second. Oops, 2 times I think I opened same slides. All right, so I will show, I think graph I showed you, right? These domains. The AI 2017, the artificial intelligence at this level. We are at 2022. Okay. Look at this graph. Look at this curve. Okay. So this is the world market predictions for job opportunity from 2017 to 25. Agree? So in the 2020, still we have a time as the data is increased, the engineer positions are also increased, guys. I hope you understand. Clear? Everybody's clear? Yeah. So tomorrow I'll talk about few things which we left, and Monday, Friday we install application software. Okay, job support, and okay, what is the salary range across the globe, and we'll discuss some of the Tableau applications, and we'll see some of the visualizations as well tomorrow using Power BI tools. What is Power BI? Tableau. What is Tableau? We're going to see that. Very interesting. Okay, stay tuned for tomorrow sessions. We're going to understand. Okay, everybody's clear? Anybody have any more questions, guys? Anybody have any more questions in this offline batch? I hope you understand. Regarding recording, please check with the support team once, or else I'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay. The one, I think most of them are first class today. One thing, guys, I want from you, just spend your time for your learning, then come back. If you have come for a practice and do hard work, come and join, or else don't waste your money. Very simple, I'm saying. I'm a working professional, still I'm working. I know what is the future markets because I'm talking to more of international clients. Yeah. And I know the predictions of this AI part. There's a huge, data is huge. So jobs are also huge. So we covered all the topic. This is the right time to learn, and career transition is there. Agree or not agree, everyone? Okay, clear? Okay, so that's it for today's sessions. You may leave for the day. Anybody have any questions, stay, and rest of them leave. If you don't have any questions, maybe your friends are some of the data scientists, data analysts, cross check with them, write your questions, come back tomorrow. We will discuss. Everybody's understand what I'm saying? Okay, it's good to go now. Thank you, guys. Let me fix some of them with online questions. Browser regressions topic tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, I will show you all algorithms. I'll give you more and more example. Okay. Yeah. Someone asked for speech recognitions yesterday. You ask? No, somebody's asked for speech recognitions. Okay. Ah. Speech recognitions. Yeah, because there is some mic issue. That's what it's not working. But let me try. I thank you. I found with this microphone, just one moment. If I change here, I'm getting this. I check. Cody, can you play English music? Maybe there is a voice problem, issue with these connections, or else you'll get output. I check with this phone. Guys, it's done. You may leave for the day. Thank you. The other batches are waiting. Still, you're not getting error, but I will show you here. You'll get tomorrow. We'll see. Okay. I will use this microphone. It's working. Okay. Yeah. Along with data science, yes, Varma, we are able to learn this one. Okay. Yeah. I will teach you. No? Yeah. Yes. Yes. From the basic. No, we are using Flask. Yeah. Because see, company requirement we have. So if you study Django, tomorrow you joined a company, they will tell you to use Flask. What you need to do, right? I will tell you what things need to be done. More than 100. I will teach you 80, but you need to do more than 150. Yeah, you have to work, practice, home task. Yeah. I will teach almost like 60 to 70. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can check with them once. I think yes, you can. That's why the lab is open. Yeah. That's why they started offline. See, a lot of things they're not covered there. This is advanced. I'm real time, so I know those things are not covered up. Okay, I will talk more than that. That is nothing. Yeah, advanced I'll cover up. Yeah, so that's why you see in my syllabus. Yeah, no need to worry. You just come back with laptop, you work hard, and let's see, we do together. Very good. No, this is a demo, so we'll do it. Yeah, please. Data binary, data continuous. But regressions you get straight line, but classifications we get sigmoid curve. I'll talk about curve tomorrow. That's what the topic is all about. Yeah, we'll do it later. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second, Sinduri. I'm just discussing with you. One moment. Yes, please. I will teach. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you come. 8 o'clock. Same time. 10 a.m. Yeah, here only. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Yeah. 11:15. After the class, you can go and sit in the lab and you practice. Yeah. Of course, not Friday. I will teach. We'll install the software, Anaconda, and all those things. Okay. Online, please stay. Okay. 3 months to 4 months.
Yes, guys, can you hear me now?
Uh, can you hear me, guys? All online students? Yeah, I will teach you. Tomorrow you come, I'll show you data types, identifier, everything I'll show you from basic. Yeah, Friday I will show you. Yeah, Friday we'll sit together. Okay, now whose questions? Can you please, let's discuss. Anybody? So how many days are demo sessions? Thursday, guys, till Thursday and Friday the demo. One moment. That's it. Yeah. Now you can speak with me. Let me unmute. Can you raise your hands? Anybody have any questions? Yes, Ravi. Yes, Priyaranjan, Sridhar, everyone.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, sir. My name is Ravi, and I am BA Geography honors student. So, can I do this course?
Which course, buddy?
Data science.
Yeah, you can learn, Ravi. No problem. No need to worry. That's what I'm saying. That yesterday I showed some of the offers. Yeah, you can transit from non-technical to technical. Correct?
Yeah, but I am totally non-technical background. It is BA.
Yeah. See, I'll tell you. Yeah. Sinduri, I'll unmute you. Just 1 second. Everything is possible. What's your name? Ravi, right?
Ravi.
I have few
Yeah.
students. They already transit from non-technical to technical.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you. I show the offer yesterday, right? They are non-technical guys, Ravi.
Yeah.
The question is how much time you spend for learning. That is what very important.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is what very important. How much time you're gonna spend for this one. That is what important.
Okay.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Anybody? Yes, Sridhar, please. Yes, Sai Kumar.
Yeah, sir, this is Sridhar. So, are you going to cover complete Python like core and advanced?
Core is not required, buddy. So that's what yesterday I gave you an example, right? We are a data
Mm-hmm.
scientist. We acquire data from the databases and then we implement and build the future model, right?
Mm-hmm.
So core is not required. If you learn core, then you become a Python developer. Are you going to go for a Python developer or machine learning engineer?
ML engineer.
One
Yeah.
second.
So, you'll be covering only advanced Python, right?
Yeah, see, not advanced Python, buddy. The one which is required to data scientists, those things I covered, Sridhar. Like
Mm-hmm.
today, we saw some of the graph, right? Correct.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
is use of Python. Yeah. So those things we
Okay.
covered. So you
Okay.
tell me, just I'll give you Python course is free. The one who joined this course, let me check with them. Okay, does the course is free?
Yeah.
Python
Yeah.
course is free for you. If it's free, then it's easily you can join, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll
Right.
confirm you. I'll confirm you by tomorrow. Yes, Sridhar?
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So,
good.
can you please share the PDF that you were showing us with the course content?
PDF, whatever the see, we have a principle. Naresh IT has PDF, you can download. This I will show you on class practicals. In
Okay.
Naresh IT, we're trying to modify this one as well. This is for real time. I will share the one who enrolled to this course. Okay.
Okay. And we
Yeah.
will be covering complete statistics, right, as
Yes,
part of this
yes, boss.
course?
If you don't covered, then it is a very
Mm.
impossible. You cannot do
Okay.
all these things, right? You cannot do a future predictions. Today we build the
Right.
predictions, right? Using IRCTC app, right? How you going to build these things? Yes, Sridhar, tomorrow we discuss. Thanks.
Right. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. 1 second. Sai, Shiva, Sinduri, Akansha, and yeah, please go ahead, guys. Whose question is this? Next.
Hey, hi Prakash, this is Sinduri.
Yes, please go ahead.
Actually, I've been working here since 4 years. Last time, as I discussed.
Your
So
testing domain, am I correct?
yeah, correct. I'm into testing domain and I also had basic coding knowledge
Mm.
because we sometimes use Selenium automation to write the scripting. So I'm just like right after 4 or 5 years or maybe sometime
So what
later.
I'm doing, very simple, 4 5 years, we don't show them that
Okay.
4 5 years into testing. I will
Okay.
change this 4 5 years towards data science, right?
Oh,
And then you can go ahead and apply. So you get an interview call from there only, isn't it?
yeah, got it.
That's it.
So
Thanks,
for
Sindhuri.
that, the
Yeah.
programming, I mean, what are the projects in my
I
current
will
profile?
teach you, right? I will
Okay.
teach you scikit-learn, NLP. You cannot
Okay.
understand all those things in one day. Yes, Sindhuri?
Yeah, correct. I agree.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Regarding,
Yeah. Anybody have any questions? Yes, Washim, everyday class notes are uploaded in the Google Drive. Yeah, no need to worry. I'll unmute to everyone, the one who raised your hands, guys.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Who's this? Shiva.
Sir, I have
Hmm.
2 backlogs in degree final year, sir.
See, let me tell you,
Hmm.
interview is not required with your backlogs, right? You have to
Okay.
speak in front of interview. They won't ask whether you have a backlog or not. That will ask by HR team. Yes, Shiva? So
Okay,
forget
sir.
about those things. Just
Okay.
complete this, complete your backlogs, prepare resume with nice projects and go back and do it. Yes,
Okay, sir.
correct?
Sir,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah.
okay. Sir, I also have one more question, sir. Sir, which
Mhm.
brand laptop is useful to us, sir? No.
If you have like you want to spend good money, just go for like Lenovo and SSD system requirement is there.
Yes,
SSD
sir.
minimum 256 GB SSD, 8 GB RAM, and i3 processor. Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
thank you. Yes,
Which,
Sahid. Yeah, thank you.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please go ahead, buddy.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, I'm saying that what is the duration of job assistant?
See, job assistance. I
Yes.
cannot I cannot fool you. Let me tell you, Sahid. Job assistant means I will give you real-time projects. Okay, I will give you resume in 2.5 months. Yes. Now you are the one who upload in the job portal, and after that, you have to speak in front of interview. Correct or not?
Okay.
Yes, guys. So definitely, if you give 10 to 15 interviews, 16 round would be so clear. Make sense what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, but why freshers are not hiring?
Who
See,
said?
many.
Yesterday I showed up, right? How many jobs you applied? Do you, if you apply 3 jobs and you say I'm not getting freshers calls, definitely it's your mistakes, right?
Okay.
If you apply 100 interview freshers, you get 10 calls. Out of 10, you crack 5, right? Out of 5, one should be offered. Agree or not agree?
Yes.
Understand two side of a coin. Don't listen what exactly half truth people. Yes,
Okay.
Sahid, what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
My one of friend Jahir, he is a professor. Okay, in 3 months he cracked 6 offers. If you need, I will share the number as well.
Okay, sir. So
Understand or not?
actually, okay.
Okay, so that's, yeah, we'll see, we'll speak tomorrow. Yes, anybody
Okay.
have any more question?
Thank you.
Anybody have any more question, guys? Anybody have any question? I unmute you, everyone, the one who raised your hands. The one who don't have questions, you can lower your hands and then we'll discuss. All right. Yes, Ashri, any question?
So when you are going to share the Google
Yeah,
Classroom
please.
link? When you are going
Share.
to share Google
Once you enroll the classroom, my support team will get, this candidate is paid, and then they will give you the classroom access. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anything else? Yeah, Priyaranjan, I'm sorry. Go ahead. You asked something yesterday. I didn't address you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I have done bachelor in chemistry
Hmm.
since 2015, and
Hmm.
now I'm doing bachelor in education.
Hmm.
Can I go for data science, or it is problematic for
Yeah.
me
See,
for getting a job?
you should not. Yeah, you can online people come to institute any practical sessions. Sinduri, can you please talk to the support team? As I mentioned, non-technical questions you can ask. Yes, Priyaranjan. Yeah, you can, buddy, because in interview they don't ask you, are you from mechanical background, chemistry background, what you do, right? I will give one projects. We put some of the experiences, the gap, yeah, and we will show others them that your expertise in data science domain, and then you go and sit in front of interviews, right? Understand? Yes, Priyaranjan,
Okay, okay, sir. ठीक.
got it
Thanks.
right? What I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay.
So can we do projects on own after this? Of course, Varma, I'll give you a lot of projects so that you can do by your own. From Monday onwards, regular class is going out to conduct. Friday onwards, Tejasvi. Friday, I think the link will change. Yeah. Yes, Amol. Yes, Abhishek. Everyone, I unmute you. You can speak with me. Swati,
Sir, can I
Am I
Sunita,
join
audible
this
to you?
session
Sir,
one by
afternoon?
one,
I'm
one by
joining
one,
this
one by
class.
one.
sir,
Sudarshan,
I'm Amol Patil.
yeah.
Sir, Amol is
Yes,
speaking. Am
yeah,
I
go ahead,
audible?
guys. Yeah, you are audible, please.
Sir, I'm civil engineering student and I have a
Hmm.
gap of 4 years.
You know, gap
So
of 4 years.
how I will get a job, sir, as a fake by showing fake experience of
That is not a
2 or
fake
3 years.
experience, Amol. That's not a fake experience. Okay. So how do we show means we put some of do you know LNT? LNT the civil or not? Yes.
Yes.
LNT nowadays they have started hiding. Do you know data analyst, data scientist, all those things? Do you know? You
Okay.
don't know?
No,
Yeah.
sir, I don't actually.
Yeah, you check and let me know tomorrow. Yes, Amol, they are hiding. Data analyst, data scientist, the LNT guys are hiding. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So by 4 years for this, I want to talk one-on-one with you. Yeah. Thing is possible, but don't mess up your round. Maybe you think it's not possible, but definitely it would help you out, guys. Okay. Yes, Amol. Yes or
Sir,
not?
this is
Yeah.
Chandramouli.
Chandra Murali. Yeah, Chandra Murali. Please go ahead, my friend. Yeah.
Sir, Chandramouli, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Please go ahead.
sir, I have 7 years experience in banking. It is retail
Banking.
banking operations.
As a
Yeah, sir. Can I go with this data science, sir?
Of course, you can
Sir, actually,
apply
I
the
want to switch the industry from
definitely
banking
Chandra.
to this data science.
No, banking. Which domains you working before? Which techniques we work before? Which technology? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Chandramouli, I unmute
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yes, please
Sure,
go.
sir.
Yeah,
Retail banking and banking backend operations.
yeah.
Related.
What is the which non-technical domain you work before? Hello, can you hear me? One second. Ah, doubt. one. Can you hear me, guys, everyone? Can you hear me? Yeah. So the one who had questions, yes, you can discuss with me. Yeah, please. Yeah, anybody have questions? Chandramoli, are you there, buddy? Just let me unmute you. No problem. You can see this is what is the main thread. Okay, now just one moment. Now, what is the responsibility of this main thread? The responsibility of this main thread to execute the entire main method. Now let's assume that inside the main method, if you have, let's say you have n number of methods. Let's say could I trust you if I follow your lead direction so I could gain knowledge about data science? See, Baba Malik, 1 second. I'll tell you one thing. Sound, no problem, right? Yeah. So this is the main thread, and let's say in this main thread, I can draw. So Malik, I'll unmute you. Just one moment. What are the methods we have? Try to assume that, let's say from the main method, I'm calling. Yeah. Chandra, Molly, just one moment. Because I am in institutes right now and just came upside. Let's discuss with you. Participants. Correct or not? Yes. Chandra Molly, right? Sir, can you have a practical proof that whenever we yes, Chandra. The main method actually yeah. Chandra's 1 second. I'll ask you. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Whenever we define a main method. Can Chandramoli, you can speak with me, please. Yeah. What I said, LNT also. Yeah. What is your questions again? Can you please ask me? Unmute you. Please wait. Let me start with this ID. Yeah. Hello. Can you please go ahead, Chandramoli? I'll have to go ahead to the another guy. Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead.
I'm Chandrahas.
Yeah, I understand, but another learner is called Chandramoli. So just let me talk to him. I was pending. We are mid of the discussions. Yeah, and then I get back to you. Yes, Chandrahash.
Yes, sir. Can I speak?
Yeah, 1 second. Chandramoli, I calling you, buddy. Can you please unmute yourself? Okay. Yeah, Chandrahas, please ask what's your question.
Sir, instead of question, I want to say about myself, sir. First of all.
No need. We discuss a later part.
No, sir. No. I can understand. I'm pursuing MTech, sir. I'm doing machine learning project.
Machine learning project.
As it is mandatory in our campus.
Okay.
So I'm doing working on skin diseases, sir.
Okay.
So I want some guidance from your marriage technology, sir. Means on skin
Definitely.
diseases.
I mean, are you looking for college projects or maybe you are working for MTech, right? You need a project, right?
Yeah, right now I'm tech second year, sir.
First demo, are you there, Chandrahash?
Yes, sir. First demo and second demo I'm there, and I'm continuously responding to your
very good,
classes.
Very good. See, actually, what happened, my dear students, because I offline batch is going on. Yeah, for that there is a other mic, so that mic I cannot speak with you. When you speak, I have to listen to you in detail. Yeah, so that's why I changed my phone.
I'll be coming to offline within 10 days, sir. Within 10 days or 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yes, so what exactly I'm saying, Chandrahas? I will give projects, right? I'll give lot of projects for your college details, and you're gonna work and show them up, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll give the project. No need to worry for this one. That is not a technical questions. That is easy questions. Yes.
Means right now I'm pursuing. So I'm
that pursuing. Let me tell you, theoretically part, technical part is different. College explanations and real-time work is two different things. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, learning in college and real-time work is two different tasks, buddy. Yeah. So just no need to worry
Yes, sir.
for
I'm
that
pretty
one.
confident that Narrative Technologies is a good platform for me
I
to build
know
my
because
career.
I know a lot. I saw the packages, like lot of the packages I showed. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's okay. Let's get
Yes,
back
sir.
to the other. Thank you. Yes, Baba Malik,
Okay,
please
sir.
go ahead. Unmute
Okay,
you,
sir.
Baba.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for the day.
Yeah,
Tomorrow
thank
I'll
you.
contact you.
Sure, sure.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Baba Malik, can you hear me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
hello.
One by one. Yeah, Chandramouli, can you please go ahead, buddy? Chandramouli. Okay. Yes, Baba Malik, go ahead. Your question, can you trust me? Yes, you can trust me. But one thing, can I trust you? Can I
Yes.
trust you? Will you, the task, whatever I'm assigning, will you work along with me? Tell me yes or no. Are you
Yes, sir.
working? Are you working or are
Yeah.
you a student?
No, I'm working in Cognizant.
As a
Data engineer.
as a DBA, right?
Data engineer. D.
DE, data engineer. When you know the data engineer, what tools you know in data engineer?
Azure Data Factory.
Data
Databricks.
factory. Okay, but that's okay. We are data scientists, right? Do you know Spark, Hive, Apache, all those things?
I work with the PySpark, not Hive.
Ah, yeah. So, but here we're not a data engineer, we're data scientists. We need to build a future predictions, right, Baba? In the
Yeah.
company, your leaders are mostly focused on future predictions, forecasting, all those things, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So no need to worry. You can trust me, buddy. You can go ahead and understand those things. How good at Python programming?
I'm pretty good. Intermediate level.
Yeah, yeah. So, but we don't need go in depth about Python developing part. Yes, Baba,
Yeah.
understand? But we need to require the connections from the Python to machine learning. Yes, clear?
Yeah. Clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Anybody have any more questions? Yeah. The one who don't have questions, you lower your hands and rest of them, yeah, stay with me. Yes, Sunita, what's your question? And Akansha,
Hello, sir.
yeah, who's this?
Sunita here.
Yes, please, Sunita, go ahead.
Sir, can you tell me what's the difference between Spider and Jupyter? As these both are using for writing code.
Very good. Both are same. There is no difference. Okay, there is no difference. Both are same. But let me show you. Let me share the screen. This is called spider. This is called spider. Yeah. In spider, the variable will shown here, right? X output. This is code. All real time we use spider because this is the code you write here and this is the output is all about. But in Jupyter, what happened? This is Jupyter. You have to scroll down. You cannot see the code immediately on one screen. Understand, Sunita?
Yes, sir.
This is the difference between spider and Jupyter. Clear?
Thank you.
Yeah, Chandrash, I told you, right? Thank you, Sunita. Yeah. Yes, Chandras, we discussed, right? One second. See, guys, the one who raised your hands, I already unmute you. Now you can mute and you can speak with me one by one. Please. Yeah, who's this? Sai Kiran, please go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
So, is it possible to understand all these Python concepts, advanced concepts, without having a basic knowledge of Python?
Do you understand my language? Do you
Yes, sir.
understand me? Today, yesterday, day before yesterday, you are there in the class, right?
No, sir. This is my first class.
Oh, you are first class. First, I will tell you, do you receive the recording sessions which I send it to you now?
Yes, sir. I received.
You see the recording and then ask same questions tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear. Thanks, Saikira. You can lower your hands. The one who done. Yes. Who is next? Sridhar, please go ahead.
Sir, can we switch between online and offline classes? If we feel like coming to offline classes, can we come
Offline
and
classes is going on, Sridhar.
yeah,
I take offline classes as well. Okay. And
yeah.
For these questions, you can talk to the support team because I'm
Okay.
not authorized person. They give me access. I will go and explaining them. Yes, Sridhar?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, please talk to them. Thank you. Yeah. Now, any questions, guys? Akansha, Mohammed, please go ahead, my friend. Krishna, yeah, please. Yes, Mohammed, go ahead.
Hi, Mr. Cody.
Yeah.
I need to actually today is my first class. Yesterday I couldn't log in
Oh,
because of
yesterday, day
the
before yesterday, didn't log in.
no, because of the ID. I think there was some one digit
Okay.
went
So, are you
wrong.
working
So
somewhere?
not at the moment. Just finished one contract in here as a
Which domain
DB.
you worked before?
Actually,
Database.
my background is a DB. I'm Microsoft
Okay.
Senior DB and
So,
SQL
do one
Server.
thing, Mohammed.
Yeah.
In my training program, lot of researchers and Oracle students also they come back and listening to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
So today, I hope you like the sessions, isn't it? Yes
Oh
or
yes,
no?
I joined a bit. I thought the timing was 11 o'clock. Then I joined 10:30.
Nobody.
Huh?
Yeah, Mohammed, do one thing. Did you
Yeah.
take the recordings? Copy
Uh,
pasted?
I got the
No?
link. Yeah, I got the links. The YouTube links, right?
YouTube links. Yeah.
Yes, I
You just
got them.
listen to links and then we discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
About the technicality of the area, like as a DBA, as a senior DBA, how
Mhm.
I would fit as a data scientist or as a team lead role, basically, probably, I think
How many year work experience?
I'm more than 10 years now, 14 years.
See, data science jobs are not there before 10 years. Agree?
Yes, yes, yes.
Agree or not?
Yeah,
Wherever
absolutely.
you apply a job designations, they ask what is the relevant job field. You tell them, I started my career 10 years back as a database administrations. Right now, you tell them lead data scientist for this company. Very simple.
Right,
And I've been in this industry from last 3 years. Clear?
right,
And I
right.
will give you 3 years project. Very simple. Clear?
Okay, great, great, great.
Cool?
So
Yeah.
I would better fit in a team lead role, like instead of the technical going into Python,
See,
fully
the
technical. Do you
lead
think?
role decided by companies, not you. Based on our
Hmm.
interview performance, they will decide. What our hand is, we practice and study hard. Very simple. That's what our hands, right? Yes,
Exactly,
Mohammed.
exactly. Absolutely agreed, agreed.
Okay.
Just question on the Python programming
Yeah.
side, like, am I fit with 14 years experience to learn
Done.
deep
Thank you.
the Python
Hmm.
programming as a technical developer, or I would focus best on the
See,
AI part?
let me tell you. I think, yeah, yesterday I explained same answers to the group.
I
So
see.
if you listen these things, you clear your questions. Yeah, lot of questions clear by yesterday and day before yesterday sessions. Yes, Mohammed.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Thank you. Yes, Krishna, please go ahead. Yes, Krishna, please go ahead. What's your
Sir,
question?
sir, I'm working in general insurance sales job. I
Okay.
completed full stack Python recently in Naresh IT.
Okay.
I
See, let me
completed
tell you,
BTech in
Python
2016.
is nowhere related to the data science. Python is a tool. Python is a creech to play cricket. I mean, Python is the platform to build model, right? Sai Krishna. So if you learn Python, it's very wonderful. It's easy task for you, right? It might be you
My
need
doubt
help
is
others. Yeah.
that I completed BTech in 2015, and can my profile be selected for data science jobs? Do I
No,
have a hope
you
of
cannot apply
being hired
freshers
by?
job. You cannot go for a fresher job. That is sure because you know more freshers. 2015 you complete BTech. How do you think you become a freshers? You tell me, is it a valid or not?
Yes, sir.
Understand, right, Krishna Naidu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
do
are
I
you
have a
working
scope for
somewhere
being
now?
hired?
No, no,
Yes,
wait.
sir. Irrelevant to IT,
Okay. How many years experience?
non-IT. 5 years experience.
Huh? 5 years,
5 years of
right?
experience, non-IT.
Yeah. Now, in 5 year experience, if you let me give you one example, then you understand. If you 5 year of experience, okay, you explain them, you complete change your project. You do not mention on your resume 5 years you work for sales. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So out of 5 years, we will apply first 2 years as a data analysis using Excel, and last 2.5 years I'm working as a machine learning engineer. If you go to the doctor cannot figure out where exactly you have a problem, right? You have to speak to the doctor. So If you mentioned in your resume, nobody can recognize you, whether you're technical or non-technical. Until you say, I'm a sales, the other persons don't understand. Yes, Krishna?
Thank you, sir.
I hope you understand, right, Krishna, what I'm saying? Clear or not clear?
Thank you. Thank you. Clear, sir, clear.
Out of 5 years, 3 years, we'll tell them, don't show them whatever you worked in sales, leave it. Now I'll give a project, just your company name is there, rest of things my topic. Then go for interview. Very simple. Yes, Krishna?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow and have a great good day. Yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss with each other. Yes, guys. Chandrahas, you raise your hands. Chandramali, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye. Yeah.